Hey guys, today we're gonna open 35 awesome surprises, including baby born, LOL, unicorn surprise, shimmer and shine, Moj Moj, Num Nums, Kinder surprise, and much more. And the first surprise is going to be... Oh, there's so many choices! Let's open the Kinder surprise from Masha and the bear. Delicious Kinder chocolate. Wow, this is the bear. Easy to build. The bear. Plus a flyer. Baby born. Let's open. Look at the little baby born. She came wrapped just like a newborn baby. And she's sleeping. Shh, don't make any noises. Here you can even pretend to change her diaper. Oh, she's so cute. Baby born. There's another little surprise here. Let's see what this is. It's her bottle, and you can feed her. Peppa's surprise house for Christmas. This is Peppa Pig. She has a snowflake on her shirt. Unicorn slime. Here we have two unicorns, a white unicorn and a pink one. Now we're gonna feed the slime to the unicorn. The unicorn just ate a lot of slime. She ate all of the slime. Whoa, it came back out. Pink slime. Now let's try the green one. Maybe this little unicorn is super hungry. Whoa, she really is hungry. Look, she ate all of the slime. McStuffins. This is Lemmy. She's dressed as a nurse. The other toy is an owl. PJ Masks. Here's your collector's guide. And this is Catboy. Catboy. Shimmer and shine, golden egg. It's a golden egg. This is a bracelet made of candy. Magnetic picture. A little tattoo. Eraser with Tala. Plus a flyer. Little pet shop. This is a little monkey. It has a bubble head. And this is... Oh, I know what this is. It's a hat for the monkey. Just like that. Troll's egg surprise. Whoa! Here's the pink egg. We have here one troll. Cool stickers. The flyer. And candy. Squishums. This is a pink kitty. And she's so squishy. LOL, hair goes. We got here stickers. Collector's guide. The baby. This part here is plastic and this here is a jelly outfit. Let's remove the little outfit. Maybe we can figure out who this is. I don't know who this is. Whoa, this is the snow bunny. She's so adorable. Let's check out the other surprises. Fluffy and soft boots. fluffy bunny ears. The outfit is adorable. Let's see what else. Baby bottle. And a hair comb. Before we get her dressed, let's see if she's a color changer. So first we're gonna try warm water and see what happens. Nothing happened. Now let's try icy cold water. Whoa, she's changing. She really color changed. Let's go again in warm water. I love these color changers. They're adorable and so much fun. And now, Snow Bunny, it's time to get dressed. Wow, she looks so adorable, all in pink. Shopkins. Purple egg. Flyer. Stickers. More stickers. 1 and 2. Shopkins pictures. Wow, a lot of pictures. Another flyer and more stickers. We also got candy and a toy. It's a ring. And it opens. Let's see what's in here. More tiny stickers. Hotel Transylvania. Here's a collector's guide. This is Frankenstein. Shimmer and Shine Genie Bottle Surprise. This is Nazbo. My Little Pony Stackums. This is Applejack. This My Little Pony looks a lot like a Tsum Tsum. Yui, chocolate surprise. Delicious chocolate. This is a wild animal. Let's see the name. He's a white-lipped peccary. Ninja Turtles Super Surprise. Green egg. The toy is a top. Stickers and candy. Num Nums bottle surprise. Collector's guide. This is Yummy Dotty. Body spray. Smells like candy. She came with Bumfatty. Delicious sparkling lip gloss. Surprise-a-mouse. It's a rainbow blush. Moj Moj Crunch. I love this new Moj Moj. Incredible Stew Mushrooms. Collector's Guide. This is Violet. She's so squishy. Cars 3. Lightning McQueen. 5 surprises. Here we have 5 surprises. Spider. Kinda creepy. Zombie squishy. His eye pops out. A little ninja. Yucky worms. One more surprise. zombie dinosaur stickers. I think the spider wants the worms. PJ Masks Mashams. Collector's Guide. Here's the Night Ninja. Smushy Mushy Besties. This is a smushy drink. Peppa Pig Super Surprise. Blue Egg. Stickers. A little toy. And candy. LOL, finders keepers. Chocolate egg. The flyer. And the baby. This is Can Do Baby. Smushy Mushy Unicorn Shakes. Tiny Unicorn Cup. Here we have Nixie Narwhal. And Sheila Shake. Another genie bottle from Shimmer and Shine. This here is Princess Samira. She's a winter sparkle. Hello Kitty surprise. Hello Kitty, and she's holding baguettes. She's so cute. Mickey surprise. Two Mickeys. Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. And Comic Mickey. Today we got a lot of fun and adorable surprises. Well guys, thanks for watching my videos and stay tuned for a lot more surprises.